All right, doing a fuel filter, a 2001 Hummer H1. So the new part is right here, and the old part is right here. Yes, they do look very different, but don't be alarmed like I was at first. So it comes with a seal, so you want to put that around the ring of the fuel filter bowl as such. So you see that little black deal right there around that metal kind of spiky looking ring. So you want to make sure that's seated nicely. And then basically you just throw this thing in, kind of weasel it into the side, bottom down, and then you click the key on into the glow plug cycle, and then that'll work the lift pump, which then you crack this to then get the air out. So I'm gonna put this in there, which I cannot hold a camera and do that at the same time. So I'm gonna do that, show you guys what that looks like, crack the bleeder, and then bleed it. So this thing's in there, you can see it's sitting nice and pretty. I'm gonna give it one last hand tighten before cracking that spin valve at the top. All right, I think it's tight, so I'm gonna crack this thing loose just a little bit. And you kick on the glow plug cycle, which cycles the lift pump. So you get a lift pump going. You can hear the air shooting out of there. Cycle it once more. So yep, there's fuel in the filter. Let's just tighten that. Cool. You should be good to go at this point. So let's crank it up. All right, that's basically how you do a fuel filter on an H1. All right, see you guys.